Morning, Tom.
Morning.
What are you doing today, Tom?
We are just cutting some oilseed rape for Andrew Collier.
Yeah. What's the moisture, Tom?
It was about 7.9 on the combine yield monitor.
Pretty dry, yeah?
Yeah, very dry.
Yeah. What's the yield? Any idea?
The average is looking about 3.2.
That's not bad, is it?
No, it's not bad.
Okay. Right, Peter, what we got here? What's your lad's name?
Edward.
Edward, yeah, hello, Edward.
Hello.
You're on school holidays now, are you?
Yeah.
Has he got you working?
Yeah.
Is he paying you well?
Yeah, quite.
Oh, that's all right. Minimum wage.
Yeah. So you do well.
Nah.
Are you driving the tractor yet then?
Normally bit of loaders.
Yeah, yeah. All right, Peter, so you've been carting for Andrew.
Yeah.
Oilseed drape, 7% moisture,
Yeah, that's all right.
Tom said. You're taking this up to Great Bridgeford.
That's it, to Hartley's, yeah.
Yeah.